So if there's a motion of confidence in the government,
Yes.
and let's say yourself and Shane and all the others agree to back the government, but there's, say, one or two TDs in the Independent Alliance who don't want to back the government, what happens to them?
Well, then the person falls overboard, and that's the reality.
Oh. So they're kicked out of the Independent Alliance?
If they signed up to the principles, and if an agreement, a programme for government is made, well then what we do is we fight on those the issues in the programme for government are the key issues, right?
It sounds
and
an awful lot like a party.
It doesn't sound like a party.
When you have the
when it comes to legislation, then
when you have there's lots of bills. Sinn Féin pulled off their one. You might get their
I'm just going to answer the question.
finish.
When it comes to the reality of the legislation going through the House, then we have different views, and then we accommodate difference and diversity, and what's wrong with that? I think they do it in other parliaments, so I think we need to focus on that. It's a new brand of politics, and people need to accept that and open their minds, because a lot of people in the establishment of this country, right across, are not open to new ideas. We're trying to put forward new ideas. The Independent Alliance can show that people from different backgrounds can hammer out agreements on certain issues, and what's wrong with that?
Okay, Matty,
yes.
to finish.
Go back to the vote of no confidence in the government. You said I stepped back 2 steps further. There was 2 votes of no confidence in Minister Shatter at the time, and what happened if they and we saw what happened to him. He fell on his sword. He should have gone at that time, but he didn't. So if one of the people didn't feel he just said it, or 2 didn't agree, didn't back the government, and an issue like that about a minister, which clearly, and Phil Hogan was another one. So then they fall over the table. So I rest my case. As I said, Sinn Féin cancelled the Radish. The bookings might be still there, whatever hall they were having it. Maybe you'd have you one there.
We had our launch.
Invite the meeting, but you're a party without.
No, we don't use the word.
Just
party,
put the name on the
absolutely
but it's there underlined.
The Independent Alliance.
And the whip
is
is there.
It's an alliance of people who work together, who come from different backgrounds.
You said that already, so let Matty finish.
It's a new idea in Irish politics. Why are you all just trying to destroy it because you're afraid of it?